Welcome back everyone, this is PyProTech. So in the last video I was discussing about NPTEL. I didn't go well in depth with what it is. So people who are pursuing engineering in India, you have to complete a certain number of points in your 4 years degree. So I'm pursuing computer science and engineering. So in that case I have to require or gain a certain amount of points in my 4 years course. So it can be in first year, second year, but it's really wise to do it in every year. Otherwise, it will be a very huge bundle at the end of the year and it's gonna be a burden. So the Python course which I discussed about is this, and I was discussing about I'm going to share my answers with every one of you. So for the week 1 quiz, here are the answers. So people, if you have watched the video in the course, just go and follow ahead. They have made it easy for each one of you to understand. And in my playlist, in my YouTube channel, I've already made videos on the Python programming language. So that would be helpful. If you haven't watched it, then go ahead and check it out. So for the question number 1, the answer is 7. For question number 2, the answer is 7. And for question number 3, it is 8. And for question number 4, the fourth option is the correct one. And if you have any doubts, such as are these answers accurately correct, these answers are definitely correct. It should be correct and it is correct. And anyways, so if you have any following further questions regarding this video or regarding the questions, just put it in the comment down below, comments box below. I will surely go and help each one of you out and reply to your messages. Or just go ahead and DM me in my Instagram. I mean, each one of you could do that. So if you have liked this video, then just go ahead and like the button and subscribe to my channel for further notifications regarding this NPTEL course, and I'll see you in the next one for the week 2 quiz answers and for the week 2 programming assignment. So there are 2 assignments handed on week 2. So we'll be looking forward to that and we'll cover those 2 assignments on the next video. Keep a watch out and adios.